and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically view the canvas option when you are editing on CapCut PC. I know a lot of people say like it's not there, it is there. So for instance, I placed this video on the second track and I scrolled down and like, where is the canvas option? It's not there. But what you guys are doing wrong is that it's only going to show up in the main track because it's kind of like the background of it. So you do have to place it in the main track, which is like the first and the one at the bottom. So canvas will be here. Just turn it on. You can select blur, color style. I'll just select the video first and I'm just going to select auto cutout so you can see the canvas, like the background, I guess. So they have like a few options. They have color and they also have style as well. But you can essentially add in your own pictures. But for instance, you just want to use the one that's available on CapCut, you can absolutely do that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.